will, Senator,
The United States Secretary of Defense Lloyd Austin said that the Ukrainians inflicted significant losses on the Russians, and they depleted their stocks of armored vehicles. Now the Russian Federation will reopen the T-54 and T-55 tanks due to the level of losses. Great. Now we can see some Ukrainian forces on undisclosed location. Offensive is brewing, guys. And while we are at offensive, do you remember the marvelous winter Russian offensive? It was so great that they frozen the fronts. On March 27th, the armed forces of Ukraine fired with Himars at the Rosguard headquarters in occupied Donetsk. As a result, 12 occupiers were demilitarized, and about 60 are in the hospital. The 94th Separate Battalion of the 107th Chernivtsi Separate Brigade Trooper and the 66th Separate Mechanized Brigade burned some regular Russian rubbish, presumably in the Svatova direction. I'm very glad the wives of Russian war criminals continue helping us make sure that their husbands will face the tribunal. Ukrainian hackers contacted a wife of a Russian war criminal, posing as an officer from her husband's unit and asking for a photo shoot of all the wives from the unit as a surprise for the husbands. Now we have identities of 12 soldiers responsible for the Mariupol bombings. No words can describe the bravery of these soldiers. If you have watched this video before, watch again.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.